Good morning, everybody. I'm Jen Pollock from KSS Enterprises. As we've all gone through these last few months together with everything that has gone on in our communities with the pandemic, we've had so many questions about what does it mean to properly disinfect something? Am I using the right EPA registered product to fight COVID-19? What is the dwell time for all of the different products that are out there? What does it mean to sanitize? People talk about a healthy hand hygiene program. What does that mean? I have soap and water. What else do I need? And so we've put together an informational webinar that kind of covers all of this material. It's called Are You Prepared for a New Level of Clean? Kind of cleaning beyond this COVID-19 crisis as you get ready to reopen safely, or perhaps you are reopened, what you can be doing to make sure that you don't have an outbreak and that you can maintain a healthy and safe facility for your staff and for your customers. So I'd invite you to attend. It's next Thursday, June the 4th at 9 a.m. There is no cost to attend the webinar. However, your registration is required, please. You can register through our website, which is kssenterprises.com. There's an events tab there with all of the information that you need to register. I'd encourage you to do that today. And if this webinar does fill up, we will just continue to add additional segments of it until everyone's questions are answered and we can help everyone. So again, during this time, if there's anything that our team can be doing to help you with products, processes, programs, things that are needed in your facility to help maintain that safe and healthy environment, we are here to answer those questions for you. We do hope that you'll join us for the webinar next Thursday, June the 4th at 9 a.m. And again, you can register on our website at kssenterprises.com. Thanks so much. We appreciate it.